So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to add Hulu on Spectrum TV. Install app, activate and fix missing channel. So check device supports. Smart TVs like Samsung, LG and Vizio. Streaming devices like Roku, Fire TV and Apple TV. Then gaming consoles and mobile devices. Most traditional Spectrum cable boxes do not support the Hulu app directly. You'll need a smart TV or streaming device connected to Spectrum internet. Check for eligible plan. Confirm you have a qualifying Spectrum TV plan like TV Select Signature, TV Select Plus or TV Platinum, which include Hulu. Log in to your Spectrum account at spectrum.net or the My Spectrum app to verify entitlements. If ineligible, Hulu may require a Spectrum subscription. Can I add Hulu as a channel on Spectrum? Hulu is a streaming app, not a Spectrum cable channel. If you subscribe to Hulu Plus Live TV, it works separately from your Spectrum cable lineup. However, if you bundle Spectrum Internet plus Hulu, they still function as separate services. So, how to activate Hulu? There are some key points to activate Hulu. Open Hulu and go to spectrum.com/stream app or use the My Spectrum app for activation. Then sign in with your Spectrum username and password. It links automatically for eligible plan. Then restart the app or device if activation doesn't complete on first try. So how install Hulu app on Spectrum TV? Navigate to the app or app store section on your Spectrum TV home screen using the remote. Then search for Hulu, select it and choose install or download. It installs quickly on devices like Zoom or Stream app. Also launch the app from your installed app list once completed. So fix missing Hulu channel. Fix one is verify zip and region match. Open Spectrum TV app, select preferences, then location, then enter your exact zip code. Example from Erode area if applicable, but confirm US service. Then save and restart app to refresh guide. This sync local entitlements, revealing hidden channels like Hulu if a mismatch common after moves or VPN use was blocking it. Fix 2. Refresh entitlements. In app guide, press remote menu/options button, then select refresh guide or reset filters. Wait 5 for 10 minutes. Relaunch. Hulu appears if eligible. Forces server side reprovisioning of your plan perks. Example TV select Hulu bundle, clearing sync error from account changes. Fix third. Clear cache and restart. Go to device settings, then app, then Spectrum TV, then storage, then clear cache, clear data. Not full uninstall yet. Eliminates corrupted temporary file causing channel load failures. Without losing logins, force stop app, then restart device, then unplug for 30 seconds, then relaunch. Resolve 80% of display bugs. Fix 4. Restart your TV. Clear temporary glitches. Turn off your TV, then unplug it from power. Wait for 60 to 90 seconds, then plug it back in. Turn on, check Hulu again. The fifth fix is restart Spectrum internet modem and router. Hulu needs stable internet. Unplug Spectrum modem, unplug router, wait 2 to 3 minutes, plug modem back first, wait until online light is solid, plug router back in, reconnect TV to Wi-Fi. So the sixth fixes are: check if you are using a Spectrum cable box. If you are using only a Spectrum cable receiver, Hulu will not show as a channel. Use Smart TV's app, connect Roku or Fire TV devices, or use gaming console. Check account and contact support. Log in into spectrum.net, then services, then TV, then verify Hulu. Inclusion under Disney bundle. Confirm plan eligibility. Example TV Select Plus. Fixing backend provisioning delays. Chat support via My Spectrum app or website for manual refresh if needed. Then Hulu support. Help.hulu.com. If you had like tell them your TV model whether you are using a cable box or smart TV. The exact error message I'll give you a customized fix. Thank you.